ImagePullSecrets are a crucial security mechanism in Kubernetes that enable pods to authenticate and pull container images from private registries. When working with proprietary applications or enterprise environments, not all container images are publicly available. ImagePullSecrets provide the authentication credentials needed to access these protected resources securely. By default, Kubernetes can only pull container images from public registries without any authentication. However, when you try to deploy a pod that references an image stored in a private registry like Docker Hub Private Repositories, Amazon Elastic Container Registry, or Google Container Registry, Kubernetes will fail to pull the image because it lacks the necessary credentials. This is where ImagePullSecrets come into play. They act as a secure bridge, providing Kubernetes with the authentication information needed to access private container images, ensuring your deployments can proceed smoothly while maintaining security and access control. ImagePullSecrets are essential in several scenarios. First, they're used for proprietary applications hosted on private registries like Docker Hub Private Repositories, Amazon Elastic Container Registry, or Google Container Registry, where your organization stores custom-built container images. Second, enterprise environments often have strict compliance and security requirements that mandate restricted access to container registries, making ImagePullSecrets necessary for controlled image distribution. Third, commercial container images that require paid subscriptions or licenses need authentication before they can be pulled, and ImagePullSecrets facilitate this access while protecting licensing agreements. The first step in using ImagePullSecrets is creating a docker-registry secret. You use the kubectl create secret docker-registry command followed by a name for your secret. You must provide 4 essential pieces of information: the Docker server, which is the URL of your private registry, the Docker username, which is your registry account username, the Docker password, which is your registry account password, and the Docker email, which is the email associated with your registry account. This command creates a special type of Kubernetes secret that stores these credentials in a format that Kubernetes can use to authenticate with your private registry. Once you've created the secret, you need to reference it in your pod definition. In your pod specification YAML file, you add an ImagePullSecrets field under the spec section. This field takes a list of secrets, where you specify the name of the secret you created earlier. When Kubernetes attempts to create this pod, it will automatically use the credentials from the reference secret to authenticate with the private registry specified in the container image field. This allows the kubelet on the worker node to successfully pull the private image and start your container. A more efficient approach is attaching ImagePullSecrets to a service account. Instead of manually adding the ImagePullSecrets field to every pod definition, you can configure a service account to automatically include these secrets. In your service account YAML definition, you add an ImagePullSecrets field at the service account level with the name of your registry secret. Any pod that uses this service account will automatically inherit the ImagePullSecrets, eliminating the need to explicitly define them in each pod specification. This approach significantly reduces configuration overhead and ensures consistency across all pods using that service account. When working with ImagePullSecrets, follow these security best practices. First, always store your registry credentials securely using Kubernetes secrets or external secret management solutions like HashiCorp Vault or Oz Secrets Manager. Never hardcode credentials in your manifests. Second, implement a regular credential rotation policy to minimize security risks in case credentials are compromised. Rotating passwords and access tokens on a scheduled basis is a fundamental security practice. Third, leverage service account level secrets whenever possible to avoid repetitive pod configurations. This not only simplifies management, but also reduces the risk of misconfiguration and ensures that authentication is applied consistently across your deployments. ImagePullSecrets provide a robust and secure mechanism for authenticating with private container registries in Kubernetes. By properly configuring these secrets either at the pod level or through ServiceAccounts, you ensure that your applications can access the container images they need while maintaining strict access control and security. Whether you're working with proprietary enterprise applications, commercial software, or sensitive development images, ImagePullSecrets are an essential component of a secure Kubernetes deployment strategy.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.